Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today I just want to show you this water spray. What do we call this? Bottle water spray plastic thing. I bought this for just 25 rupees each piece. I bought two pieces. See here, I can spray some water or some medicine, plant medicine, or some pesticide, whatever it may be. I can just spray this. But to my surprise, in online, I find this item a bit more higher in price. That may be due to the delivery cost or something like that. But I bought this for rupees 25 in a offline store, the nearby market at my place, and this was pretty useful because I see here I can just adjust this knob. I can rotate it, so the spraying intensity and the way of spraying gets changed by when I rotate. I can fit to a plastic bottle. Just I arrange to the plastic bottle and see. Even though if I yes, so when I rotate, yeah. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description for the online purchase on Amazon. If anyone wants to look at this, you can think of buying it if it is useful to you, or let me know at what price you can get this at your offline stores.